Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last week I met up with an old friend of mine for lunch, and while we were chatting away we got talking. I guess some people might say we started gossiping about a mutual friend of ours who has recently lost a lot of weight, like a lot of weight. And we were discussing whether or not we thought it looked good on them, whether or not we thought it looked healthy, how we think that maybe they achieved this remarkable weight loss, when eventually my friend said, "Listen, I don't mean to put too much of a downer on things, but do you think it might be cancer?" At this point I responded by saying, well, I think you have basically touched upon the elephant in the room. If you refer to something as being the elephant in the room, you mean it's an important subject or a big problem that everybody knows about, but nobody wants to talk about. So nobody mentions it and everybody tries to pretend that it's not really there. So in this case, the possibility that our friend has cancer and that's why they've lost all this weight is the elephant in the room that no one wants to mention. In the same way, at the moment, our new government here, the Labour government, is talking a lot about trying to grow the economy, trying to get investment, trying to help different industries grow. And they're doing all of this whilst tiptoeing around the elephant in the room, which is Brexit. They basically don't want to mention Brexit or reopen old Brexit wounds because it's still such a toxic subject. But it's obviously something that has a huge impact on our ability to grow the economy. In another sort of similar example, I guess like a lot of people, with my students recently, we've been sharing students about atrocious weather where we are. Different people are experiencing floods or hurricanes or, crazy out of control different kinds of weather. And we all sit and share the stories about weather and share our experiences of extreme weather. But we all basically kind of skirt around the elephant in the room, which is climate catastrophe, the climate collapse that we're seeing all around us. One final example. Every time I hear about high school shootings or, massacres in American shopping centres or people being arrested planning to assassinate political leaders or whatever in the US, I always shout at the TV, "Gun control, you idiots!" But I realise that in the US, where the gun lobby remains so powerful, that basically gun control is the elephant in the room. It's the thing that's there, but that nobody wants to talk about. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use the elephant in the room.